Hello viewers, my name is DmtrustAdimchis-Tech. I'm an electrical engineer. I'm a consultant and also a contractor. So before we continue, please I would like you to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So whenever I release a new video, you get the update. So I'm going to be bringing useful information about electrical engineering, things you should know as a household for your safety, for building engineers and for builders. Please don't forget, remember to subscribe, so whenever I release a new video, you get the update. Thank you. Okay, electrical engineering, one of the value in electrical engineering is safety. Safety is valued so much. So before we consider about electrical or electricity, the first thing we should consider first is safety, because electricity we say is a very good master and also a back servant. That means that whatever thing you want to use electricity for, it will serve you very well, give you the comfort you want. But whenever misused, it can also bring disaster. It can bring burns, it can destroy electronics and apparatus in the homes. So whenever you are conscious of what you want to use for, also look out for safety. So number one thing we should look out for is this: whenever you are leaving your home, make sure you switch off all the electrical gadgets like lighting points, and then you switch off all the sockets. Possibly unplug them from the sockets. Unplug them from the sockets. So that means from the socket you should unplug them, remove them. But if possibly peradventure it may not be possible for you to be doing all the while, make sure you have a protective measures, a protective device to protect them. Like there's thunder protectors. There are so many things. Make sure there is a safety measures in your homes. So another thing, whenever it begins to rain, make sure you switch off all your gadgets, especially when there is a high rate of lightning and thunder. So make sure you off everything for the moment, because sometimes thunder can travel to electrical equipment. It can be contacted and travel to electrical equipment, and sometimes those things can burn your apparatus, or it can put your life at danger. So another thing, before you touch any electrical appliances or electrical accessories, make sure your hand is dried. Don't put your hand in the water before touching any electrical equipment. It might put you at the risk of shock. So make sure that you clean your hand. Make sure your hand is dried off. Another thing, you should also look out. Don't allow to see naked wire around. So whenever you, especially for the safety of little children who might be ignorant of the dangers that may be, so make sure that whenever you see a naked wire, make sure that it is properly insulated. You can contact an expert, a professional, to come and do that. So make sure that all these measures are well taken care of. With this, you can be able to protect the life of your household and that of your apparatus. So always be conscious of safety. That is number one. Before you think of what electricity will do for you, first of all, think of your safety first. We have seen a lot of people you've seen a lot of people that are being burned by electricity. So these things are happening often because of ignorance of people or carelessness of misusing the electricity. So like we said, electricity is a very good master and also a bad servant. So be careful how you use electricity in your homes, so that with this you can be safe while enjoying electricity, giving you the comfort desire. Thank you very much. So please don't forget, also subscribe on our YouTube channel. We're bringing useful information, things you should know about electricity and electrical engineering. Thank you very much.